Hello, I'm High Heel Knight. Welcome to my channel. It's High Heel Hunt Day, and it's part 2 of my Amazon Prime wardrobe mystery unboxing. I started with 3 boxes, and last week I opened one of them. That pair of shoes was the Easy Spirit Women's Esplash Mary Jane Flat. This week it will be the Clarks Women's Step Rose Moon Platform or the Clarks Women's SML Guide Loafer. Alright, well, let's see which one to do. Well, this one's all big and baggy, and I'm big and baggy, so I'll open this one. Alright, set that to the side. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Yeah, it was amazing how durable these things are. Cutting, just keep cutting, Alright, woo! Right. So, it is. Got a picture on the side so I knew which one it was. Oh yeah, that's a nice little business pump to wear. This will be to have interested to have on interviews. So let's talk about this shoe in greater detail, shall we? Now let's take a closer look at the Clarks Women's SML Guide Loafer. And yeah, I'm sure I'm mispronouncing SML or Simi or whatever it is. But if you know the proper pronunciation, feel free to spell it phonetically in the comments. But anyway, this is color burgundy. I got this for business. So when I finally get, a grown-up office job, this will definitely be among my rotation of footwear. I'm keeping the stuffing inside these shoes for a while to keep it nice and neat until I finally get the opportunity to wear them out. Unlike some of my other shoes I've shown previously, these are size 12 wide. Usually like the higher heel I get, the bigger the shoe size I need. So this is a nice comfortable size, so it's a 12 wide. I got my 12-inch ruler here, and it's about a 1/8 of an inch from the base to the zero. I'm not going to really measure this section because that's just regular size for a business shoe or something like that. So let's talk about the actual heel. So that is about 2 1/4. Let's say it's a 2 1/4 if we compensate for the little base there. So yeah, nice comfortable shoe that you definitely wear in the office all day, be on your feet for much of the day. It should be fairly comfortable because of course you're the type of person that's just not good with heels. So yeah, these should be really comfortable and cool for the day. Now they got this interesting ridges across the bridge. That's fun, and there's zippers on the inside, make it easier to get in and out of. I love zippers. I love being able to get easily in and out of my shoes, whether they're heels or flats or whatever. I just like being able to get my shoes on and off with as minimal effort as possible. All right, and they've also got this little bit here, this bit of flexibleness. That also helps too. Anything that helps with flexible movement is a plus in my book. All right, so that side also. So those are my Clarks SML loafers, perfect for business. I hope I'll be able to get out and do some business soon once the world goes back to some type of normality. All right, so in the meantime, be sure to share whatever comments like in the comment section. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, or dislike, share, and subscribe. Once again, I'm High Heel Knight. Thank you for watching, and remember, find inspiration everywhere.